Hi everyone, so we are focusing on sensory language. It's really important that you understand this concept of writing. The reason why we need to understand sensory language is because we want to experience writing, but we also want other people to experience our writing. Instead of just taking part in the writing and not retaining, we want you to take part in the writing. We want you to take part in your own writing, and we want our readers to take part in our writing. And that's what sensory language is all about. We want the experience of the writing for both the reader and the writer. Now, sensory writing brings out mental images. This is so important for when you write. Okay, Daniel, you're right in the middle of this with school. It brings out your mental images. Now, it's important to use metaphors in our writing. Do you guys know what a metaphor is? What is a metaphor? Metaphor is using words that people understand, but it's not really what it means. So like, for instance, couch potato. You are a couch potato. So that means you sit on the couch and do nothing all day long. You're using words that really aren't the words that you're relaying, but everybody knows what you're talking about. It adds things to your writing to be able to use metaphors to connect to your readers. Use metaphors to connect to your readers. That's what a metaphor does. Here are the describing words for your sensory language. You are going to be able to hear. You want to describe the hearing. What are you hearing? What are you smelling? What are you feeling? So hear, smell, feel, see, taste. Describe these things that you are doing. This is everything to do with sensory language. All of these senses right here. Hear, smell, feel, see, and taste. These are your 5 senses. Make sure you reflect back to your senses as you're writing your sentences, okay, you guys? Reflect back to them. Am I relaying what I see, what I hear, what I feel? Are you relaying that? Have your writing come alive. You want to help the audience visualize what they are reading. Okay? So that's how you do a sensory language. It's really important that you do that. So here's some examples. Now, these 2 sentences are not our sensory language. The echinacea shot up and out. The car drove down the driveway. Those are not sensory languages. This is the example of a sensory language. So we're going to go, the echinacea shot up and out. This right here, the thick green echinacea is growing quickly as it reaches to the sun, so it can share its beautiful, brilliant flowers. See how we use an alliteration right here. Beautiful, brilliant. An alliteration is when you are using the same letter 2 to 3 to 4 words in a row. See how right here, the thick green, you are being able to see it. Echinacea, it's growing quickly. It's reaching for the sun, right? It's reaching. You can see it. Okay, so it can share its flowers. Now, like right here, we're gonna go, the car drove down the driveway. The very slow moving car, see how now you can see it's very slowly moving. The very slow moving car drove with the windows down into the driveway, and Lisa inhaled deeply to feel the fresh spring air on her body. See how you're changing things as you see how you're adding things. You're using a lot of describing words to be able to feel, to see, to inhale. You can taste the air, and also you're able to hear the birds singing. It's really important, you guys, understand your sensory language. All right, that's it. I hope you guys really focus on your sensory languages. Don't forget, hear, smell, feel, see, and taste. Focus on those as you are writing. We'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, everybody.
Thanks for watching. Bye.